Hello students, today we are going to solve some word problems on addition and subtraction. So let's begin with our first question. So the first question is saying village X has 8,431 people. Village Y has 1,796 fewer people than village X. How many people are there in village Y? So the first step is to note down all the information that are present. The first information given by the question is number of people in village X is equal to 8,431. Now let us represent this with the help of a bar model. So here is village X, which is represented by this orange bar and which has a value of 8,431. Now the next information which is there is number of people in village Y is equal to 1796 fewer than village X. Now when we want to represent village Y through a bar diagram, that will be shorter than the bar of village X, like this, which is represented by yellow bar, and by exact how much it is shorter, that also we know, that is 1796, right? So in order to find out the number of people in village Y, we have to find out this place. And how we will be finding it out? We'll have to just subtract them. So we will be subtracting 8,431 minus 1,796, and the answer is 6,635. Hence, number of people in village Y is equal to 6,635. Let's move to the next question, which is Rohan has 1,296 marbles. Kriti has 354 more marbles than Rohan. Leena has 183 fewer marbles than Kriti. How many marbles does Leena have? Now the first step is to note down the informations. First information which is given is the number of marbles Rohan has with him is equal to 1,296. Let us represent this value with a bar model. So this green bar represents the number of marble Rohan has, which is 1,296. Now the second information which is given is that number of marbles Kriti has with her is equal to 354 more marbles than Rohan. Means she has already 1,296. Also 354 more than that. So we are simply going to add one more bar to this existing bar, that is this yellow bar, which has a value of 354. Now in order to find out the total number of marbles Kriti has with her, we have to add these two numbers, and then we'll find the number of marbles Kriti has. So by adding 1,296 with 354, we are getting 1,650. Now the second part of the question is saying Leena has 183 fewer marbles than Kriti. So number of marbles Kriti has is 1,650, that we just find out. Then which is represented by this yellow bar, and number of marbles Leena has is equal to 183 marbles fewer than Kriti. That means here when we will draw a bar diagram, it will be shorter than the existing one. So this green bar is representing the number of marbles Leena has, and this is shorter than the yellow bar by 183. Now we have to find out this region of green bar in order to find out the number of marbles Leena has. So how we will find it out? We have to simply subtract the given numbers. So we will subtract 1,650 and 183. and the answer is 1467. Hence, Lena has 1467 marbles with her. So basically students, in this question we have used both the operations. At first we have added numbers, and then in the next step, in the next part of the question, we have subtracted some numbers, and then we got our answer. Now here is our next question. Printer A can print 1374 pages in 1 hour. Printer A can print 128 more pages than printer B in 1 hour. How many pages can both printers print all together in 1 hour? Now at first, the information which is given to us is number of pages printer A prints in 1 hour is equal to 1374. Let us represent this with a bar model. So printer A is represented by this yellow bar which has a value of 1374. Next line of the question is saying printer A can print 128 more pages than printer B in 1 hour. So students, we can write it like this, that number of pages printer B prints in 1 hour is 128 less than printer A. We can write it like this. We have just changed the statement and nothing else. So let us now represent this with the help of a bar model. So printer B is represented with this green bar, and by how much this green bar is shorter than the yellow bar is also given, which is 128. So in order to find out the number of pages printer B prints in 1 hour, we have to find out this region. And how we will be finding it? We just have to subtract the given numbers. So we will subtract 128 from 1374 to get the answer 1246. So basically the number of pages printer B prints in 1 hour is 1246. Now number of pages printed by printer A in 1 hour is represented by this yellow bar which has a value of 1374, which was given in the question. And just now we got the answer that how many pages printer B prints in 1 hour. It is 1246. So in order to find out the total pages printed by both printer A and printer B, we have to calculate both the numbers and we will add here. So number of pages both printers print all together in 1 hour is equal to 1374 plus 1246, and the answer is 2620. Hence number of pages both printers can print in 1 hour is 2620 pages. So students, here also in this question we have used two operations simultaneously. At first we subtracted two numbers, and then in the next part of the question we added two numbers. So like this, in this way, in a word problem we can solve both operations together. Thank you students.